Welcome back to my third post today. This is November 24th, Tuesday, and on this post, I'm going to be doing a very quick dive into OMGUSD, see what has exactly changed since my last post quite some time ago. I'll be sharing with you my bullish and bearish case scenario now for OMGUSD, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me. If you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys want to support me and don't really have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks now instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations, opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below. I will get to them a lot faster that way, but let me know what you guys are trading, following. I can see if I can share my analysis and opinions on those symbols. Now, OMG, I have been taking a break from trading, and a viewer of mine have actually brought up a request to do analysis on OMG, so I thought I'd share my thoughts. I have not taken a look at this crypto for some time, the past couple of weeks, and let me dive right in and see what has changed since the last time I've done a post on OMG. Okay, so OMG had, let's take a look at the higher time frames and see where exactly we are at. I believe last time I talked about OMG, we had actually been on this falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame where it's most apparent. The measure target of that pattern is about $4.50, 68% chance of breaking out. We had broken out. We had met that measure target. It went as far as almost $4.70 before taking a very significant pullback to even $4, slightly under $4. Okay. So that is the daily time frame, okay? Now, let's take a look and zoom out and see what exactly is going on the monthly time frame, because this tells me on an aggregate level where exactly the price action is. So if we actually come down to the monthly level, we can actually see a pretty bullish candle for the month of November. It is still going. We still have about 7 more days left, in a little over 6 days, excuse me. But we do have quite a bit of volume compared to last month already. So this does seem like a bullish candle with decent volume. If this closes the way it looks, I do very much believe that we are in a reversal now. Now let's take a look at the lower time frames. So let's go to the hourly first and see what exactly has gone on for the past couple of days. So we had seen a double top here on the RSI. That is bearish divergence, and has pulled the price all the way back from about $4.70 to even as low as $3, slightly under $4, okay? But for now, kind of bouncing within this rising channel pattern. Now, we can also see that same bearish divergence on the 4-hour time frame, and it took the price action all the way back down to the 4-hour 21 simple moving average, which kind of makes sense, because if we are on an uptrend and I do see bearish divergence on a certain time frame, I could expect the price action to pull back to at least the 21 simple moving average on that time frame for the most part. Okay. Now I also do see bearish divergence on the 6-hour time frame. However, we have not yet touched the 6-hour 21 simple moving average. Is it going to wait for it to come up, or is the price action going to break this tentative rising channel pattern and go all the way down to about $3 and slightly over $3.95, okay? So it's not too far down, but which is it going to be? Are we going to consolidate within this pattern and wait for the 6-hour 21 simple moving average to come up, or is the price action going to continue dipping down there? We shall see. Now, I don't see possible bearish divergence yet on the 12-hour time frame, but depending on the next move up. That is something to be mindful of because the last reading that was created on the RSI from the last high on the price action is still about over 75. So that is not something to be ignored. On the daily, it seems like it could beat the last RSI reading and avoid a bearish divergence on the daily time frame. Okay, so that is the current scenario right now. What are the bullish and bearish case scenarios? The bullish case scenario would, for us to actually get back above this Fibonacci retracement level, which is at about $4.30. Okay, if we can actually stay above $4.30, the next major resistance I'll be looking at would be the next Fibonacci retracement level. Let me zoom out and get that exact number, which would be about $4.85, slightly under that. Okay, that is the next major resistance level if price action can stay above the $4.30 level. That is the bullish case scenario. Now, does that mean that the price action is absolutely going to get to $4.80 given that we stay above $4.30? No, that is not what I mean. That is the next major resistance. So if price can actually stay above $4.30 and continue upwards, that is where I would expect the major pullback to be coming from. Now let's explore the bearish case scenario. The bearish case scenario here would actually for the price action to break this rising channel here. We did have quite a bit of support according to this trend line here. So breaking this rising channel would not look good, and that could mean that the price action can continue down faster and more intensely. If the price action does break this rising channel, I could expect to see for price action to dip all the way down to the 6-hour 21 simple moving average, which is not so far down, but I was still not to be part of that ride if I was in a position. You guys let me know what you think. Now, if the 6-hour breaks, the other moving averages that can act as support are pretty down there. So if the 6-hour breaks, I think the next one will be the 1-hour 200 simple moving average, currently about 3.7. Let's check out if we do have any other. Well, 3.75, 3.7 to 3.75 in that range would be the next level support if the 6-hour 21 simple moving average does not hold. If 3.9, 3.95 does not hold, I could expect 3.7 to 3.75. Those are going to be the 1-hour and 4-hour moving averages down there. Well, which is also where a lot of these 12-hour moving averages are as well. So the 3.7 to 3.75 level would be the next level of strong support if the price action breaks the 6-hour 21 simple moving average. That is part of the bearish case scenario. Now, this concludes my very short update on OMGUSD today. Please let me know if you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know your agreements, disagreements, feedback. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I hope you guys manage your risk carefully. If you guys want to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.